Today we are going to learn echo and print in PHP. Echo is used to print. We can write echo in many different forms. We can also use HTML tag. To print an integer we do not need to give the inverted commas. Print also works same as echo. Most of the people use echo because it is faster than print. The difference between echo and print is we can pass more than one argument in echo, but we cannot do the same in print. So it is the disadvantage of print. Let's do it practically. This is the first way can write the echo. As you can see we got the output. Let's write the same thing in a different way. As you can see we got the output. Now we will write the same thing in a third way. As you can see we got the output. We can also use single inverted comma. As you can see we got the output. Now we will try the print. As you can see we got the output. But if we try to print more than one argument then it will show an error. Thanks for watching the video. Please do subscribe.